clear view of the Atlantic here. Experiencing some strong winds of the Atlantic here. Maine, so we're now in the United States. So we're flying over the state of Maine right now. As you can see below. We're now flying over Maine. First US states we're now flying over now, so we're nearly there. And due to arrive in nearly an hour's time now, about an hour and 4 minutes, about nearly an hour's time. Due to arrive in an hour and 4 minutes from now, so nearly an hour's time. We've travelled 3,038 miles, and we're cruising at 36,000, cruising at 36,000 feet. And just got about 413 miles left. Hello. We're nearly there now. Around nearly an hour to go to where we want to be. It's me again. Just got about nearly an hour to go. It's got about an hour to go until we just got about an hour to go now until we land at New York JFK now. So almost there now. Journey's nearly over. So I'll get back to you once we start descending and approaching and landing at New York John F. Kennedy. Okay. We have encountered turbulence a few times, especially the heaviest one over the Atlantic crossing, so it was quite intense. So I've done some footage of that, which may interest you. Oh, no thanks. So anyway, I'll get back to you once we start descending, approaching and landing at New York John F. Kennedy Airport now. No thanks. Just offering tea and biscuits right now, crackers. So anyway, again, I'll say that I'll get back to you. So again, I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. I'll start filming again once we start descending, approaching and landing at New York John F. Kennedy. So see you then. Catch you later. We're now descending to New York John. We're now descending into New York John F. Kennedy Airport now. To New York John F. Kennedy now. And we're at 13,000 feet. There's a lot of clouds in the sky right now. And we're just flying over Long Island over New York State. And we'll be landing in roughly less than 20 minutes from now. So we'll be landing in less than 20 minutes. So we've got about 18 minutes. We'll be landing in less than 20 minutes. So we have 18 minutes to go until we land at New York John F. Kennedy. earlier on, the captain or the first officer has, or co-pilot has used the spoilers to reduce drift to our airspeed. This may feel a little turbulent, a bit bumpy. First landing to John F. Kennedy, so I'll keep in touch for that. We are now at 9,000 feet, and it's very grey, and I can see the coastline from above. And looks like it's raining down there quite heavily, so it's going to be quite a bumpy landing. I can see some rain from above me. Oh my god! Yeah, it's raining heavily down in New York State. See the coastline, and it's going to be quite a wet landing into New York John F. Kennedy. Oh, it's going to be, yeah, I can feel the turbulence, and holy shit on it. Oh my god, shit on it. Oh, shit on it. Whoa, bit of a bumpy turn there. Whoa, whoa, shit on it. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, shit on it. The flaps are not lowered yet. Flaps are not lowered or extended yet, but we will soon. We're just now flying towards, flying between Long Branch and Rumsey, New Jersey. You can still see the sea. We're still making we'll make our established localizing turn onto runway 4 left or 4 right at John F. Kennedy. Flying towards Rumsey, New Jersey. Boats below. Right, flaps have come down now. Flaps are coming down now, that's good. Now coming up to 2,000 feet. 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 2,000 feet, 2,000 feet, 2,000 feet. Now. Oh. It looks like we have established a localizer. So we're coming to a final approach. Onto probably runway 4 left. Right, I think we're now established on the localizer. Onto runway 4 left. We are now established on the localizer. Onto runway 4 left. Or maybe the furthest one. I think we're going to runway 4 left for the landing at John F. Kennedy. Or JFK for short. Just have a feeling we're following an aircraft. And gear down, flap 20. Gear down, flap 20. Gear down, flap 20. Gear down, flap 20. Is that Brooklyn I can see from the plane? Yeah, it must be. Actually, no, not Brooklyn. Doing it again, just like I did 9 years ago, silly me. See the Rockaways from my view. This is good. Flap 30, flap 25, flap 30. Bloody hell, it's wet down in the Rockaways. Guys chucked it down with rain in the Rockaways, bloody hell. Well, I was expecting this. A swimming pool there, oh my god. What the hell? What the bloody hell? Okay. And that's the subway, I believe. Actually no, that's the Long Island Railroad. Well actually no. I was right the first time, that was the subway. The 8th Avenue E line, the 8th Avenue A line. That serves that bridge between Broad Channel and Howard Beach JFK Airport. That's on the 8th Avenue A. That's on the 8th Avenue A line. On the NTA New York City subway. Oh. Couple of wetlands here. Oh, we're coming to runway 4 right on the arrival. See an Atlas Air Boeing 747-300ER taking off. See a JetBlue A220. And off it goes. We go off goes the Atlas Air 747-300ER. Whoa, here we go. Way! Whoa! Whoa! Shit on it! Whoa! Shit on it! Oh my god! What a landing! Woohoo! Well done, Captain! That's my first wet landing in my life. Wow. That was fantastic, that. What a fantastic landing on runway 4 right. Wow. Woohoo! I can see is that North Atlantic? That's just arrived from London Gatwick over there. Yeah, that's North Atlantic Airways coming in. That's just arrived from London Gatwick. Boeing 787 Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Oh, that's doing a go around, that one. Visibility's not very good. Let's catch that plane. Just doing a go around. Poor visibility because of the aircraft front.
Hey, very warm welcome to New York JFK, where the local time is just approaching 3:50 in the afternoon. That's 3:50 in the afternoon at the outside temperature. It's quite a cold 10 degrees centigrade.
Whoa, cold.
Your seatbelts purely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. And when it is safe to do so, please take care when opening the overhead lockers. The items may have moved and could fall out and cause injuries. You may now make or receive calls as well as all data services on your handheld electronic devices. And please check that you have all your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft.
Let's turn now.
If you require any assistance here, please speak to our ground staff, who will be happy to help. And for those customers who have ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated until the aisle around is clear and our crew will be on hand to assist you. On behalf of all those on board British Airways, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to seeing you once again very soon. Thank you, and goodbye.
And the visibility is not very good because of the rain and the splash and due to the splash of water. Thanks to the splash of water during the landing. That was crazy, that landing, but very impressive indeed. It was on runway 4 right. Got a good view afterwards. Yeah, that's Heathrow Airways. Yeah, that's Heathrow Airways coming in from Rome. We're now crossing runway 22 right now. There's the North Atlantic Airways Boeing 777-9 Dreamliner, which just arrived from London Gatwick earlier on. Just managed to get a view of it. Oh, the wing's in the way now. Shouldn't get the eater. Yep, that's Heathrow Airways. It's an Airbus A330, operated by Heathrow Airways. This aircraft was inherited from the previous airline Alitalia, which merged with ITA, and ITA inherited the aircraft from Alitalia afterwards. Now crossing runway 31 right. Now. This is the perfect way to start again for me, flying around. This is the perfect start for me, flying again. This is the perfect start for me, flying again. That's Terminal 5. See a bunch of JetBlue aircrafts there. Where's the TWA Hotel? Because there's a observation gallery where you can go up to and do some plane spotting. There's the air traffic control. Couldn't get a good view of it, but there's the air traffic control tower. I mean, what the heck? I'm used to this weather back home in the United Kingdom. I'm used to this weather back home in the United Kingdom. In England and Scotland, I haven't been to Wales much. Is that one taxiing to the gate? Yeah, the one that's just arrived from London Gatwick. Golf Charlie Kilo Mike Papa. It's just arrived from London Gatwick. This one taxi to Terminal 7. And there's a Kuwait Airways Airbus A330 now. There's Aer Lingus, Condor, and another Aer Lingus one, and that one's an A320-200. That's an A321-200 Neo. They've operated on this route. Going over the Jamaica Van Wyck Expressway here. And we're now coming to Terminal 8, which is British Airways' brand new home. And here's our fleet. 2 777s, along with American Airlines. This is their hub at John F. Kennedy. A 777-300, a 777-300ER, and a 737-800. We're right in front of an American Airlines Airbus A320-200, I believe. Yeah. No, it's an Airbus A321-200. It's an Airbus A321-200. I was wrong. It's not a Neo series, it's the existing current aircraft. It's the current existing. It's the current existing aircraft still operating. I'll be on the air train soon. Visibility is not very...
Thank you very much. Doors to manual and cross-check, please.
Visibility is not very good, unfortunately. Sorry about this. It's a ground crew member guiding our aircraft to the gate. American Airlines and British Airways here at Terminal 8. Quite a long taxi levels. Hooray! Parking brakes set to park. Parking brakes set to park. Right, here we are, back in New York. So great to be back.